Hello, welcome to the most delicious geography lesson you'll ever take. Today, we are traveling across all 7 continents to discover which amazing fruits each country is famous for. From tropical mangoes to cold climate berries, get ready to taste the world. Let's go. Let's begin with Africa, the continent of sunshine, warmth, and incredible tropical fruits.
Kenya.
Mango and avocado. Kenya is famous for its juicy, sweet mangoes and avocados. Kenya is one of the world's top avocado exporters, creamy, green, and delicious. South Africa. Grapes and citrus. South Africa is home of the grape and the citrus. South Africa grows millions of oranges, lemons, and some of the finest grapes on earth. Egypt. Dates and figs. Egypt is famous for dates and figs. For thousands of years, Egyptians have eaten sweet, sticky dates straight from the palm tree.
Niger.
Plantain and papaya. Nigeria is famous for plantain and pawpaw. That's papaya. These fruits grow all year long in Nigeria's warm, rainy climate. Tanzania. Coconut and pineapple. Tanzania is famous for coconuts and pineapples. The island of Zanzibar grows some of the sweetest cloves and tropical fruits in the world. Morocco. Oranges and watermelon. Morocco is famous for oranges and watermelon. Moroccan orange juice is legendary, sweet, fresh, and bursting with flavor. Our next stop, Asia, the largest continent on Earth, and home to some of the most exotic fruits you'll ever see. India. Mango. India is the land of the mango. India is the world's biggest producer of mangoes, with over 1,000 varieties. The Alfonso mango from India is called the king of mangoes. China. Peach and lychee. China is famous for peaches, pears, and lychee. China produces more fruit than any other country in the world. Did you know the peach originally came from China over 4,000 years ago?
Thailand.
Durian and dragon fruit. Thailand is famous for durian and dragon fruit. Durian is called the king of fruits. It smells very strong, but many people love its creamy taste.
Japan.
Strawberry and melon. Japan is famous for strawberries and melons. In Japan, fruits are treated like luxury gifts. A single perfect melon can cost hundreds of dollars.
Indonesia.
Rambutan and banana. Indonesia is famous for rambutan and banana. Indonesia grows more than 200 types of bananas, all shapes, colors, and sizes.
Philippines.
Pineapple and papaya. Philippines is famous for pineapple and papaya. The Philippines is one of the top pineapple producers in the whole world. Now we fly to Europe, where cooler climates grow some of the world's finest fruits. Italy. Grapes and lemon. Italy is famous for grapes, lemons, and olives. The Amalfi Coast of Italy grows giant lemons the size of your fist. Truly incredible. Italy also produces some of the finest wines from its beautiful vineyards.
Spain.
Oranges and strawberries. Spain is famous for oranges and strawberries. Spain is the largest producer of strawberries in Europe. Valencia, Spain, is world famous for its sweet, juicy oranges.
Greece.
Figs and olives. Greece is famous for figs, olives, and watermelon. Greeks have been growing figs and olives since ancient times, thousands of years ago.
France.
Cherries and plums. France is famous for cherries and plums. The French town of Apt is known as the world capital of candied fruit. Poland. Apples and blueberries. Poland is famous for apples and blueberries. Poland is one of Europe's top apple producers, crisp, fresh, and perfect. Time to cross the Atlantic. Welcome to North America, USA. Blueberries, apples, and oranges. United States is famous for blueberries, cranberries, and apples. The state of Washington grows more apples than anywhere else in the USA. And Florida? It's all about the oranges. Florida orange juice, the classic. Mexico. Avocado and lime. Mexico is famous for avocado and lime. Mexico is the world's #1 avocado producer. Did you know avocados come from Mexico originally? Now the whole world loves them. Jamaica. Ackee and mango. Jamaica is famous for ackee and mango. Ackee is Jamaica's national fruit. It's also cooked as part of their national dish.
Canada.
Blueberries and cranberries. Canada is famous for its wild blueberries and cranberries, especially in the province of British Columbia. Now, let's samba our way to South America, the continent of incredible biodiversity.
Brazil.
Açaí and oranges. Brazil is famous for açaí, papaya, and oranges. Brazil is the world's top orange juice producer. Açaí is a deep purple berry from the Amazon and is now eaten worldwide in smoothie bowls.
Colombia.
Passion fruit and banana. Colombia is famous for passion fruit and banana. Colombia grows over 400 varieties of fruit. Many of these you won't find anywhere else.
Peru.
Lucuma. Peru is famous for lucuma and camu camu. Lucuma is a golden Peruvian fruit with a sweet, maple-like flavor. Absolutely unique.
Chile.
Grapes and cherries. Chile is famous for grapes and cherries. Chile is the Southern Hemisphere's top cherry exporter. They are shipped worldwide every season. Australia, pause. Macadamia and mango. Australia is famous for macadamia nuts and mangoes. The macadamia nut is originally from Australia, now enjoyed all over the world. Australia's Northern Territory grows some of the most delicious tropical mangoes on Earth. New Zealand. Kiwi fruit. New Zealand is famous for kiwi fruit. Yes, the kiwi fruit is named after New Zealand's famous bird. New Zealand exports kiwis to over 50 countries every year. Fiji. Coconut and pineapple. Fiji is famous for coconuts and pineapples. In Fiji, coconuts are used for everything including drinking, cooking, and even skincare. And that's a wrap on our delicious world tour. From the mangoes of India to the kiwis of New Zealand, every country has something incredible to offer. Next time you eat a piece of fruit, think about where in the world it came from. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, share it, and keep exploring. The world is full of flavor. Go taste it.
See you next time.